The Conservatives are ripping the heart out of our economy. Figures released this week show manufacturing is in deep recession. Today I've met very impressive workers here at Beard & Fitch in Harlow. A successful engineering company, high quality engineering, the kind of company that we should be proud of and needs our support. But the government isn't working for people like the people I've met here today. They're running our manufacturing industry into the ground. They've cut investment and slashed support for further education and adult skills as part of their austerity programme. And now the Conservatives' shambolic handling of Brexit is inflicting even greater damage on industry. Today I'll be in Parliament as we vote again on Theresa May's Brexit deal, the same deal that was defeated just 2 weeks ago. It is Groundhog Day. She's running down the clock while risking jobs and investment, like Nissan pulling out of producing new cars in Sunderland. It doesn't have to be like this. Labour will kickstart our industry with funding from a new national investment bank, just as they do in Germany. And we'll create a national education service that gives people the skills they need so they can realise their full potential. And we can all meet our collective ambitions. As part of our alternative Brexit plan, Labour would negotiate a comprehensive customs union, so manufacturing stays in Britain. Labour will create an economy that works for the many, not the few.